Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making pineapple, beetroot and ginger juice. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this video, help me to share the video and leave your comment for me in the comment section. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to support a girl. Guys, without wasting your time, let's just dive into the video. So for this recipe, you don't need much. You just need three ingredients, and that's my pineapple, beetroot, and ginger. I've already washed all of this. I've washed my pineapple, my beetroot, and my ginger. So for this recipe, I'm using one medium-sized pineapple, two small or medium size of beetroot, and then this ginger. I'm not going to peel this ginger, I'm going to slice it like this. Okay, so guys, apart from this juice being so yummy and so creamy, it's also packed with so much nutrients, like so much nutrients. Everything I use here has its own benefit, okay, and is so helpful to the body. So pineapple contains nutrients and beneficial compounds such as vitamin C and enzymes to help aid digestion. Eating pineapple may help boost your immunity, lower your cancer risk, and improve recovery time after surgery. And also, we all know that pineapple contains fiber, which helps in weight loss. So if you are someone that is trying to go on a weight loss journey, or you're someone that is trying to maintain a healthy weight, then pineapple juice or pineapple is for you. Okay, so I'm just going to slice this now, and we are not wasting anything here. Like for this pineapple peel, I'm going to boil it. I'm just going to add it into my pot, and then I'm going to add in 2 cups of water, like this cup you are seeing here. I'm just going to add 2 cups of this water, and then I will cover this, allow this to boil for 5 minutes. Okay, I'll be using the water to blend my pineapple and the rest. So I'm just going to chop this pineapple into sizable cubes, okay, just to help my blender. So guys, I'll just cut my ginger to into small bites to help the blender, all right, so that it can blend very smooth. So that is it. And then for the beetroot, I'm going to be peeling off the back. Okay, I'm going to be peeling off the back, and then I'm going to cut it. So here is what we have. This is our beetroot and ginger, and this is what my pineapple got for me, though I ate some, like 2 or 3 out of it. I'm just going to transfer all of this into my blender, and I'm going to blend till smooth. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, don't forget to like this video and also help me to share my video. Okay, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Okay, so here I'm going to be adding in the liquid I got from the pineapple peel, okay, from boiling the pineapple peel. So that's what I'm using to blend this, and then I'm going to blend and blend, guys. Look how yummy the thing is already looking like, already, like the color already is so attractive. So we are going to blend it until it is smooth. So now that I'm done blending, I'm going to be sieving this out, okay, because I'm not making smoothie, I'm making juice. So guys, have you subscribed to our channel? Have you liked this video? Have you? So now I'm going to be telling you the benefits of beetroot and ginger. Beetroot reduces inflammation and protects cells from damaging. Beetroot lowers blood pressure. Beetroots are naturally high in nitrates, which are turned into nitric oxide in the body. This compound lowers blood pressure by causing the blood vessel to relax and widen. So you see why you should take beetroot every other day, like every day. You see why you should take it every day. And ginger also, studies shows that eating ginger can cut down on fermentation, constipation, and other causes of bloating. So if you are someone that usually have bloating, ginger is good for you. And also ginger contains antioxidants. These molecules help manage free radicals, which are compounds that can damage cells when the numbers grow too high. So guys, you see why you should take ginger every other day. Like, apart from this juice being so yummy, like so yummy that you're going to get addicted to it, it's also packed with so much nutrients, okay, also packed with so much nutrients. And guys, here is what we have after juicing. This is what my watermelon got me and beetroot and ginger got me. Like, you're going to get addicted taking this juice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until I come here when it's time, please stay safe. Bye.